going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. I want to take a second and thank each and every single one of you guys out there that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. Everybody, today I've got a detail on my hands, nothing major. I've got my brother-in-law's new Accord. I think it's I want to say it's a 20, I think. Not 100% sure. I'll have to check. But I've got his Accord here. He wants me to just do a good wash on it. Nothing major. I'm not going to be polishing it or anything like that, but he wants it to be basically, you know, a good wash and just some good protection on it. So I said, yeah, I'll absolutely take care of it. I'm getting ready to wash it now, and I wanted to highlight a product that I've been using and I'm absolutely blown away by. Is the Hyperclean cleanse. Now Hyperclean, you know, they reached out, they wanted to send me some stuff to try. Shout out Nick and Marty over at Hyperclean. These guys are some solid dudes. They do podcast pints and polishing. I'll leave the links below for you guys to go check that out yourself. But yeah, they reached out, they wanted to send me some stuff to try out. So this is a sponsored video. Disclaimer, this is a sponsored video. Is this a paid sponsor video? No, it's not. They did not pay me to make the video. They wanted me to try the products and give them some feedback. So, I'm about halfway through this bottle, and this cleanse is absolutely a phenomenal soap. It is one of their soaps in their lineup. They have their snow foam and they have their ceramic snow. This cleanse is a great way to wash your car if you're getting ready to decon, you know, polish, clay, get it really clean before you want to put some protection on it. So it's a deep cleansing shampoo, hence the name cleanse. But really what highlighted it for me was the insane amount of lubrication. I love the fact that it's not a thick viscous formula. So I haven't put it in my foam cannon yet. I wanted to show you guys this so you can see it's running. So I just put a little dollop in there like that, maybe 2 ounces or so. Don't need to go crazy. It mixes in instantly with your water in your foam cannon. You don't have to worry about putting warm water in to help soften up the thickness of the soap. Not that I don't like soaps that are thick, but it's a little nice when you don't have to worry about that. So it mixes in nice. The lubrication is absolutely insane with cleanse, and I want to say this is my 4th or 5th time using it, and it's a great car shampoo. It's definitely top 3 for me, in my top 3. You guys know I love my Reset. You guys know I love my Apex Auto Wash. Cleanse is right up there, top 3 for me, for sure. And I wanted to, this is not a first time review. I've been actually using this and really enjoy the shampoo, so I wanted to highlight it and bring it to you guys for those that are looking for a great shampoo to add to your arsenal. So yeah, shout out to Nick and Marty again. I appreciate you guys. So I got it in my foam can. You guys know how I rate soaps. Lubrication is key for me. How well it rinses, its cleaning ability, and last, how well it foams. Really don't care how a soap foams. It's cool to look at, don't get me wrong, but that doesn't mean anything. So, but if it does have some nice thick foam, that's good. You can let it dwell on the paint a little bit longer, help break down and emulsify that stuff on the paint. So to some people that's huge, is how much it foams. But that's how I grade soaps. You guys could be different. I'm gonna put a few ounces in my wash bucket, foam it up, foams up great in the bucket. Basically give this thing a good wash, let you guys see it in action. I'll show you guys what I'm working on. It's got water spots everywhere. I can't say this will take them off, but Hyperclean Cleanse does a great job. I'm gonna show you guys it in action and why I love it so much. So let's get out on the Honda and let's wash this thing up. All right, everybody, got a sip of coffee on this beautiful day. It is gorgeous out. Got the Honda here. I've got my cleanse. Spin this cap off real quick. I'm gonna put a little bit in here. That's probably all we'll need. Got my foam cannon ready. Just want to show you guys how this stuff foams up in the bucket. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Some crazy foam. Oh yeah. Foams up excellent. You guys, the lubrication in this stuff is, dude, it's, I don't know. It's unreal. I can't even explain to you. I wish you guys could just reach through the camera and feel the lubricity of this stuff. Really, what really caught my eye with this stuff. So I'm gonna get you guys set up. Sorry for the traffic in the back. I'm gonna get you guys set up and we're gonna see how this stuff foams. All right, everybody, you guys gotta bear with me. I'm doing this one-handed. Let's go ahead and foam this thing down with some Cleanse from Hyperclean. Jamie, if you watch this, woo! Let's go, baby. So he tries to take care of it himself. He does. It parks under a tree, and it's got protection on it already. So you can see the protection. I wonder if he had the dealership put one of those coatings on it from the factory, but I don't know. I know he takes care of it and washes it. Really nice foam. Smells good. Oh yeah, this stuff is legit. All right, as we jump into rinsing off the Hyperclean Cleanse, zero issues here. It rinses off nice and clean. I'm loving it. This really is a great deep cleansing soap. I highly recommend you guys try it. Now be a little mindful. This is a little bit higher on the pH. It's gonna clean, deep clean. So if you just got a regular wax or a regular sealant, you got to be careful because this can, hinder the performance of your wax and sealant. If you have a coating, the coating shouldn't be a problem at all. But this is not the soap you're going to want to use to maintain your car. It's a cleansing soap. It's made to deep clean. So I just wanted you guys to be aware of that. But overall, it is a fantastic soap. I love using this soap when I'm starting from scratch on a detail I know I'm going to be polishing or putting protection on. It is a great step. They really, really did a great job with this soap. And yeah, I can't recommend it enough. All right, everybody, quick final thoughts segment on the Hyperclean Cleanse. You guys, this was just a quick video, nothing spectacular, just something that I wanted to bring awareness to you guys. Anytime I find a product that's really good, I like to share with you guys. So Hyperclean Cleanse is a fantastic car shampoo. If you're looking for a great purifying, cleansing, deep cleaning shampoo with tons of lubrication, great cleaning power, rinses off nice, check out the Hyperclean Cleanse. I will be using some of their other snow foams. They have their snow foam and they have their ceramic snow, which adds protection as you foam, which is cool. I've got some of their products inside that I'm gonna be using. I've just been crazy busy, guys, so my apologies, Marty, Nick. It's taken me so long to start going through these products and whatnot, but I have been using it, and I wanted to share this with all of my followers, all of you guys, because it gets the Smurf double stamp of approval. Fantastic soap. So I will make sure to leave the links down below where you can check out Hyperclean. Also, I'll leave the links to where you can go check out their Pints and Polishing podcast. I was listening to them the other day, man, and they're just awesome. They're great podcasts. They're really down-to-earth people. Give them a listen and just check out Hyperclean. You will not be disappointed. They use top-notch ingredients, and Nick and Marty are just two stellar guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, it was a quick one. I just wanted to share that cleanse with you guys. It's a great shampoo. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that thumbs up while you're down there. Don't forget to click that little notification bell. That way when I upload more videos, you'll get notified. I appreciate all you guys once again for taking time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. I hope all you guys out there have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at right now watching. And I'm going to catch you guys all on the next video.